all these seats around here.
Yeah, he works sometimes. People ask about you.
Is it filming?
Yeah, it's filming. They didn't know you existed. He exists.
I'm right here, baby.
He don't do much.
I got like no.
This guy don't even. Hvac. Been there, sister. What?
Your sister.
Can you toss me that drill, dude?
Yeah. You take a safety course on it though. Especially.
Yeah, I was doing something yesterday, and I just left it at home. Probably left it at like a job or something.
Well, at least you didn't do that.
Yeah.
Always needing extra stuff, man. Do more with less, bub.
My friends all hate me and my friends all miss me. I wanna drown in rock good whiskey.
You're the lucky.
You're the lucky winner here. I'm just hey, turd.
You gonna check his life?
Yeah, bud.
I never checked.
Yeah.
I've been zapped a few times.
Yeah. People die too.
Man, you know some people die just on tasers.
Oh yeah.
Just a regular taser. They have heart conditions they didn't even know about.
It wasn't the drugs that killed him. All right, hold on, because we got to get this.
Oh, you follow that? I just think like 2 legs in the
You got to make sure what's what though. This is our other lug.
All right.
That goes from here in the head.
So you got
Got
and there's this ground.
Apply a little bit of pressure. You can get it off. Got a reducer.
Hello, Miss Pat. How you doing?
Pretty good.
You ready for some cold air? You would like some at least, huh?
Yeah, my little. Then that.
Actually, no, it's coming off
Yeah, you bent my tip on that one.
on the knife.
Yeah. Because I don't use it.
No,
I broke it.
I didn't do that.
It was bent.
How?
I don't know. It was like curved over, so I just was trying to straighten it and it snapped. You wasn't feeling the True Works?
I'm not that size.
Neither of those. Those look just as baggy.
Do they?
Yes.
I think I just got this oompa loompa.
Yeah, dude. Why don't you start
Lifting weights here?
Yeah, you might be alright.
Maybe. Be alright. Well, I think they loaded up on this one.
Well, that's the return, bud. I don't know where my kooky busters are, honestly.
There you go. Rip that down.
Watch out.
Now they're exposed to.
Oh, them screws. That's funny.
Got one more screw on this side, bro. I think
There you go. I'm good. You can have this.
Dude! Come on, man.
That was you.
How was it me? I wasn't even touching it.
You grabbed the drill.
Well, don't gaslight me.
Oh.
Don't gas.
Someone's not changing their filters.
Oh,
There's.
Oh, that's there one more?
Mm-hmm.
Yep. Pull it towards you and it'll roll it to you. Yep. Just like that. Perfect. Hold it. Hold it. Right there. Here it comes. Right in here.
Alright.
No, there's no compression in this.
I was just gonna flip it.
We can flip it right from there.
Ready?
Careful, ladies.
Oh God, dude, here.
Holding. There she is.
Did you get a pad?
Well, it's gotta be.
Personally, you know.
No cap.
All right, get over here. On this side. All right, and just let it go.
Hold on.
Both of us. Let it go with us.
All right. I'm on.
All right, same.
And I'm gonna do the car. And then I'm just gonna hit the gas.
You got yours?
I was gonna spin it. Spin it your way, actually.
Well, I can't, cause like to me.
No.
Oh,
Wait.
like, yeah. Okay.
Walk it out. Okay. We can go down.
You're good.
Probably.
I got it right here. If you want to walk around it.
Go that way. And just set it down. You want me to get that unit?
Here we go. All right.
Let me move this.
We're good. No problem. Hold up. We got wood right here. Hold up.
Gotta lift it.
Yep.
There we go.
Bring it to the. I'll have to bring it to the front. Yep. Did you get a pad?
Let me get the boxes.
We'll go that way. Yeah, well, yeah, straight in, bring it right so we can just put this on.
Having a missed call is a missed opportunity for a job. If you're running a business, you know in HVAC specifically, if you're missing a call, you're missing a lead no matter what. That's why smart contractors like you and me are using Free to Grow, an AI voice answering system that picks up every single call so you don't miss any. It sounds natural, it answers instantly, and it books appointments 24/7. So if you're on the roof or you're off the clock, you're not missing a call. No more voicemails, no lost leads, just more booked calls. That way you have time to focus on the work that matters. So don't forget, give this number a call. Your phone should be growing your business, not slowing it down. Let's get on with the video.
Easy kill. All right, hold. All right, yeah. Yeah, pull up a little bit. Right there. All right, I'm gonna go this way. 1, 2, 3. Hold on.
Woo! 30.
Good. Hold up. Wood on your side. Go to your.
I see it.
Yep. All them elbows. What they for?
The nails?
No. Alright, you're good. Said all them elbows. Someone forgot a pad. Yeah, we gotta come back and do something with this pad. Always, always, always document.
You got plenty here?
I hope so.
You know? Come on, and start explaining things.
Oh yeah. Well, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go to ski for.
She said that to you too?
You told me. She's told me that before though too. I'm like, and then she's like her son too. I'm like, all right, then do it, bro. Like, why is this being like there? Jeez, Louisiana, because they got it choking down on its supply side against the house.
Yeah.
That's why I just shifted it to you, and it overhangs the pad there. Her funeral was beautiful. I think I heard you coming. I don't like that. Oh no, thank you. No, I appreciate you.
You want to watch the talk? Nashville? Real honk talk. I know they make fun of me for saying that.
It was not real.
That's what they call them. Honk talk. When you're in Nashville?
My man's such a poser. Let me tell you, did you get boots in the hat there, T-Bob?
That's why I wear the boots. That's why I got it.
Just for that?
Just for the funk.
That's so funny.
But it's much of what I thought was like.
Hmm.
North Carolina. In the mountains or on the coast? Because Wilmington, no? Mountain. They do. Yeah. I was stationed out there in Camp Lejeune, and there was always like hurricanes. Yeah. They always had to worry about that flooding. Onsboro County is like always getting. Okay. That's Where did I go?
Huh? Tennessee? Nashville?
No, when I went to North Carolina, I'm forgetting where.
He's been all over the place, bud.
Appalachian State. Boone.
Boone! Boone, North Carolina, bub.
Another nice place.
They call that God's country.
Yeah, it's beautiful. You into mountain biking, dude? Would you do it?
Look at me. I invented mountain biking.
Do I ride? Do I?
Brother, do I wear spandex on the weekends? Of course.
With the pads on, though. You got the padded bandage. So
Jeez, all the dweebs that drive through Claremont, dude. Gets on my freaking nerves.
With the big trucks?
No. With the bikers. The freaking
Oh, the actual, yeah.
cyclists.
Cyclists, yeah, that's a different story, man.
The guitar.
Dude, this doghouse would be interesting because I don't know what this
Okay.
stuff is. You saw that?
Yep.
It's about time.
Time
It's
to
not
roll.
Lightning, guys.
I ain't playing with that. Gotta do the low voltage and the drain. And throw the doghouse over. We've got to come back and do a bunch of cleanup work. So, yeah, just a quick in and out job, man. It's been 35 minutes maybe we've been here, so to get it in and out. But with this lightning coming in and this thunder, I'm not messing around, so I'm gonna put my shit away.
I don't know if you can see, but it's still raining and storming pretty bad. Got out of there. We kind of just threw that shit together real fast. They've been staying in a hotel. This was actually an Angie's List job. So if you guys are thinking about doing Angie's List or anything like that, we're just trying to get more leads and more generation that way. And this essentially pays for, itself with just this one job. So if you're thinking about it or you're on the fence, give it a shot. But this wasn't a job we went and looked at. It was actually just a job that we bid real quick over the phone and went and picked the shit up and ran it. It was at the end of the day, picked that joint up. We charged $5,300, man. So it wasn't the prettiest looking job, I ain't gonna lie to you. But we will be returning, going ahead and fixing that doghouse on there, making it form to that metal. The ductwork was kind of trash. You could see inside that return it wasn't the prettiest or taken care of the best. But anyways, I wasn't messing around with that lightning anymore. So with that being said, if y'all could smash the like button, consider subscribing. All my subscribers, y'all already know. I appreciate y'all. And I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Later.